potatoes and minced meat. It's so delicious you'll want to cook it again and again. Let's start by putting a drizzle of oil in the frying pan. Half a tablespoon of butter. 500 grams of minced meat. Let the meat fry until it changes color. Add an onion. Sauté the onion with the meat for about 2 minutes. Add salt to taste. Pepper to taste. Mix these spices well with the meat. Add 3 crushed garlic cloves. Mix everything together and sauté for about 2 minutes. Take the time to let me know which city you're watching from, so I can send you a hug. Add parsley to taste. Mix everything together again. Place the meat on a baking sheet and spread it out well. If you want to keep receiving our recipes, don't forget to interact with this video, that way you won't miss any of our recipes. I'll add 2 sliced potatoes until I've filled all the space. Don't forget to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 at the end of this video. That way I'll know how much you like this recipe. Add salt to taste. Black pepper to taste. 100 grams of grated mozzarella cheese. I'll cover it with aluminum foil. Now just bake the meat in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for 30 minutes. And our tasty beef recipe is ready. A recipe for lunch or dinner at home. Make this recipe at home and come back and let us know how it turned out. Thanks for watching, see you next time and bon appetit!